Hi guys, I wanted to show y'all a tutorial on how I made this super cute Christmas tree wreath. I started off by taking 2 different colors of 10-inch Deco Mesh and I cut them in 6-inch strips. You're gonna need quite a bit. I think my wreath frame ended up taking like 100. So you might just want to cut, you know, like 10 or 15 at a time, just to make sure you don't cut too many and waste the Deco Mesh, just in case you don't need as many as I did. So yeah, you just cut them in 6-inch strips. And then what I did was I took my chenille stems, and instead of using 1 per strip, I cut them in thirds so that I could use or get more out of 1 strip instead of wasting, you know, 1 strip per, I'm sorry, 1 chenille strip, 1 chenille stem per strip. Then what you're gonna wanna do is take the Deco Mesh that you cut in a 6-inch strip, and you're gonna wanna start at the corner and roll up at a diagonal, and it's gonna make the strip longer. And you don't want it too tight, but not too loose either. Just whatever your preference is, I guess, whatever you think looks good. And then you just twist the chenille stem around the edge, and that's what you're gonna use to attach it to the wreath frame. So keep rolling these sections out, and what I did was I rolled out a bunch before I attached them to the wreath form. It just made it a little easier just to have a bunch already made up and then just go and attach them all at once. And I was gonna say y'all can use whatever color Deco Mesh y'all like, or you can just use 1 color or a bunch of different colors, you know. This is just what I had on hand, so I thought it looked good, and yeah. Okay, and then you're going to want to grab a wreath form. I think I got this one from Walmart either last year or the year before, but I also had another one that I grabbed from Hobby Lobby. So just wherever you can find this Christmas tree wreath form. I actually got it after Christmas, so it was on sale. But anyways, if you see any this year, grab them after Christmas, and you can get them for cheaper than what they're listed. So what you're gonna wanna do now is just take each section and twist it onto the wreath frame. My wreath frame had different levels, so I just attached it to each level, and it ended up falling and looking okay on top of each layer, and it didn't leave like any gaps or anything. And it's kind of cut out of this frame, you can't really see, but I'm twisting it to each level. And I'm just alternating colors as I go. So yeah, you just twist each section on. It's super easy. And just keep adding them as you go. So that's it. I added a bow and some ornaments that I had on hand, and I think this turned out super cute. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thanks for watching.